Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming business manager permissions and linking the right page so ads can run without delays. Once done, pick the lead generation objective and set a realistic daily budget. This tells Facebook who to show your ad to and how often. Next, craft a clear offer and build the form with 3-5 focused fields to maximize completion rates. Make sure to attach a privacy policy and select the right ad creative format so people immediately understand the value proposition. Now build variations and test. Create at least 3 creatives, image, video, carousel, and run a /B tests to learn what converts best. While learning, target with custom audiences and lookalikes from high-quality lists and exclude irrelevant groups to reduce wasted spend. Make sure the meta pixel is firing and map conversion events to measure results accurately. Rotate creatives and adjust bids based on cost per lead. If a segment underperforms, shift budget to the winner and refine form questions to increase completion. Finish by automating lead delivery so you contact prospects immediately. Connect via CRM, Zapier, or webhooks to avoid manual delays. Once leads flow, implement a 24-48-hour follow-up cadence and a short nurture sequence to convert interest into action. Monitor lead quality and cost per lead daily and scale high-performing audiences. If results deteriorate, troubleshoot. Test removing extra form fields. Check ad relevance and freshness, and run pixel diagnostics. Often slow lead flow stems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.